What if I told you, you don't need to predict the market, you just need to wait for one moment and let the market hand you the trade on a silver plate? Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, the channel where we keep it simple, profitable, and real. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite pocket option strategies, a clean 1-minute trade setup that works on a 5-second candle chart. No complicated indicators, no guessing, just pure price action. This strategy is all about patience and precision. And once you see it, you'll never look at a ranging market the same way again. So smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. But before we begin, quick but important reminder. Trading involves real risk. Past results do not guarantee future performance. Please always practice on a demo account before you put any real money on the line. Trade smart, trade safe, and always protect your capital first. Okay, so here's the core idea, and it's honestly beautiful in its simplicity. Sometimes the market gets confused. Bulls are pushing up, bears are pushing down, and nobody is winning. The price just keeps bouncing between two levels, back and forth, back and forth. Most traders get destroyed in this zone. They keep buying and selling, losing trade after trade. But we do something different. We wait. What you're looking for on your chart is this. Price stuck between two horizontal lines. A clear high point and a clear low point. Mark them both. Now here's the key. Do not trade inside this zone. That's a trap. Both bulls and bears are fighting in there, and it's pure chaos. What you're waiting for is a breakout, the moment one side finally wins the battle. If the price breaks above the upper line, the bulls just took control. Take the buy trade and ride that momentum. If the price breaks below the lower line, bears are in charge now. Take the sell trade and let the pressure carry you. You see, whoever breaks the line first has all the power and momentum behind them, and that's exactly the push we need to win a 1-minute trade on pocket option. Simple, clean, logical. And the best part? You can spot this setup in literally 30 seconds once you know what to look for. I've also created a free PDF guide that breaks down the setup and confirmation rules step by step. Link is in the description below if you want it. Grab it, study it, and keep it beside you while you practice. Now let me show you this exact setup playing out live on the chart. Watch closely, because this is where it all comes together. Okay, traders, this is where everything starts. And this first step is the most important one. Look at this chart. What do you see? Price moving up, then down, then up again, then down again. Bulls attacking, bears defending, nobody winning. A complete tug of war. Most traders look at this and think, I have no idea what to do here. But you, after watching this, you'll look at this and think, I know exactly what's coming next. So here's what we do. We find the highest rejection point and draw our upper horizontal line right there. Then we find the lowest bounce point and draw our lower horizontal line right there. Price is now trapped between these two lines, squeezed, compressed, like a coiled spring ready to explode. And here is the golden rule. We do absolutely nothing yet. We watch, we wait, we let the market make its decision first. Patience right now is not weakness. Patience right now is the strategy. And then, it happened. After all that back and forth, after all that indecision, the bears finally said, enough. Watch this candle. This big, strong, decisive red candle. It doesn't just touch the lower line. It doesn't just poke through it. It smashes straight through it and keeps going. That is your signal. That is your confirmation. The market is telling you, bears have won this battle. Sellers are in control now. So what do? We take the sell trade immediately. No hesitation, no second guessing, no waiting for one more candle. The moment that lower line breaks with power, we go sell. The bears broke the line. So we follow the bears. Simple as that. Now, this is where it gets nerve-wracking, and I want to be fully honest with you. After that strong bearish drop, price suddenly bounced back up, all the way back to our entry level. And right here, most beginners panic. They see that bounce and immediately close the trade early, right before the win. But we didn't move. Why? Because we trusted our signal, we trusted our lines, we trusted the process, and just like that, the bears came back. Price rejected that level hard and turned back down again. That bounce was simply the market testing the broken level one last time before continuing down. Stay calm, trust your signal, never exit early on emotion. And there it is. The trade closed, and we won. But here's what I really want you to take away. It wasn't luck. It wasn't a gut feeling. It was a process. Okay, traders, look at this chart carefully, because this is a textbook setup. Price had been ranging for a while, bouncing up and down between our two horizontal lines. Bears trying to push down, bulls trying to push up. Nobody winning. But then, something shifted. Watch this moment right here. The bulls gathered all their energy and pushed price straight through that upper horizontal line with power and conviction. That's the signal. That's the confirmation we were patiently waiting for. Bottom left corner of the screen tells the whole story. Buy trade placed. Immediately. No overthinking, no hesitation. The upper line broke with strength. So we follow the bulls. That simple. That clean. And now, watch what happens next. This is beautiful. After breaking that upper line, the bulls didn't slow down. They didn't look back. They exploded upward with massive momentum. Candle after candle, green after green, price kept climbing higher and higher. Our buy trade is sitting right in the heart of that powerful bullish move. This is exactly why we follow the breakout and not the ranging zone. Because when bulls finally break free, they move fast and they move hard. Now our trade is deep in profit and running perfectly, and we are doing absolutely nothing except watching the market reward our patience. This is the strategy working exactly as designed. And just like that, trade closed. We won. Now I want you to go practice this exact setup on your demo account right now. Find that ranging zone, mark those two lines, and wait for your breakout moment. Because when it comes, you'll be ready. Coming up next, I'll show you exactly how to avoid the most common mistake traders make with this strategy. Stay right there. It's worth it. Okay, traders. Here is another setup. And this one is going to teach you something far more valuable than any winning trade ever could. Look at this chart. Same strategy, same process. Price ranging between two horizontal lines. Bulls and bears fighting back and forth inside that zone. Then suddenly, a big, strong red candle smashes straight through the lower horizontal line with real power and momentum. Everything looked perfect. Everything matched our rules exactly. Lower line broken. Bearish momentum strong. Signal confirmed. So we did what the strategy says. We took the sell trade immediately. Entry was clean. Setup was valid. There was absolutely nothing wrong with this decision. And that is a very important point I want you to remember. A good entry and a good result are two completely different things. Now watch what happened next, and watch it carefully. After breaking the lower line, price dropped down exactly as expected, looking good, looking clean, trade running in the right direction. But then, the market did something completely unexpected. Price suddenly reversed. Hard. It bounced back up, climbing aggressively back towards our entry level and beyond. Now on screen, you can see the trade is now under serious pressure. That beautiful bearish momentum we entered on? Completely gone. Bulls came back out of nowhere and took over. And right here, this is the most psychologically difficult moment in trading. Your mind is screaming, close it, save what you can, get out now. But here is the truth. Sometimes the market simply doesn't respect the breakout. Sometimes bears break the line and bulls immediately fight back even harder. This is not a strategy failure. This is just the market being the market. And there it is, bottom left corner, trade closed, loss confirmed, payout 0, profit 0, investment gone. Now I could have hidden this trade from you. I could have only shown you the winners and made everything look perfect and easy. But that is not what this channel is about. Because here's the raw truth about trading that nobody wants to tell you. Losses are not the enemy. Losses are part of the process. And that right there is the most honest lesson I can give you. Not every trade wins. Not every breakout holds. That is the real truth about trading that most channels will never show you. But here is what separates winning traders from losing traders. They don't quit after one loss. They review it, learn from it, and come back stronger. The setup was valid. The entry was correct. Sometimes the market just says no, and that is completely okay. So always practice on demo first. Always manage your risk, and never chase losses. If you appreciate this kind of real, honest content, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a video. This is Sam, from Sam Trading Strategies. Losses are lessons, and lessons make you better. See you in the next one.